Hello, friends.
Hello.
Today, we will be doing a dance. Try not to make a sound whilst playing iconic board games.
Oh, what? That is bizarre.
So-
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it. I'm glad I'm finally considered an adult. Let's go.
You have to make less noise than -10 decibels.
We are
We're done. Wait. I gotta get all the sound out now.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Next four.
I remember this commercial.
Good old Connect 4.
I've always been really bad at this.
Wow, this is a wild commercial.
I didn't know they had a little jingle. Dude, I'm so
Go
good
for the
at this.
fun of Connect 4. 4 in a row wins.
Oh, let's go. Okay.
You lost! And you made noise!
So I should have just slowly put it. I didn't even think about it. I was like, it's gonna make noise.
Wow, Raven seems to have a bit of a strategy. You guys are just laughing! You both lost again! Oh! Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, Julian. Just at the end, you lost it. Oh, that made noise as well.
Bro, this is impossible. Bro, I've never seen anyone so concentrated. I couldn't afford to.
Okay, good stuff, Erin. Ooh, that was a bit too loud.
That.
Right at the end, Carter. And the winner is Izzy. And Raven is the winner. Ah, it's Dani.
We both got 2.
We both got 2. We didn't even get to 4.
No, Connect 4. Connect 2.
And you lost.
Are you kidding?
Hungry Hippos.
This is not like.
It's the original button masher.
There's no way. Wait.
That's
not cute.
Hippo. This is my childhood.
Now you're just using your hands, Izzy. That doesn't count.
I thought that was a strategy.
And time.
Only got 1.
Well, winner is Carter. Scores, please.
3.
4 and 4.
Yeah, you did really well.
Oh,
I
Benison
think they
back
leaned
in
towards you
there.
more.
I got 8.
I got 6.
Okay, good stuff, good stuff. Jayka the winner.
There's no
That
way.
is so loud.
Raven, are you going easy on her because it's her first video? Is that what's going on?
That's exactly
Okay,
what's
don't
going
undermine
on.
me.
What? Stop! It's broken. They're both broken.
No! No!
I can't.
You're regretting the caffeine.
I quit. I'm out. I can't do this.
I used to be really good at this game.
You're really
But I
good?
think now that I'm so anxious, jittery all the time.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to do this one.
I can't. I hate this game. I hate this game. I hate this game. I'm scared.
So we're playing the game that's like supposed to be silent.
Ah, Julian lost it.
Wait.
But if Raven also makes noise, then she is still
No.
losing.
Not happening.
Oh, I'll give it to you, Jayka. All good stuff. Erin, you can give commentary. What
I
is he
can?
doing? What is
Okay.
he-
Did you get it?
Good
I
stuff.
didn't even notice.
Yeah, good stuff.
It's like the easiest thing.
Good stuff. Good stuff.
I never done that in my life.
That was really impressive.
That was scary.
Oh! Straight loss. And Izzy the winner! And the winner is Raven!
It's too easy.
Kill me.
Ooh. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. And that's a loss, Jayka!
We are good at that.
All you have to do is get one out and you'll win this game.
There's no way, dude. There's no way. You're not clutch like that, Erin.
Erin for the win!
Oh my god.
What the heck is
This is break the ice.
This is the loudest option yet. Also, this game looks really fun. I've always seen videos.
Yeah,
of
I
it.
have.
And I've always wanted to try.
I played Melt the Ice, which was like with a polar bear.
And you've lost the points! And that's out! Dani's figured out the way and go 1. No, I'll let you have that.
Oh my god. Oh.
Yeah. That's the point. Keep going. I'll give it to you. All you need to do, Erin, is pull this out successfully and you've won.
This is so hard. No.
That's also noise, Carter.
Yeah. Absolutely not.
Good stuff. Oh, Dani had to lose it there. Oh, and we've lost there, Raven.
Finally, thank God.
Oh my God!
You were so close.
I had
You had it.
Erin, you just need to do it and you'll win. Erin, the winner!
Dude, that was
I think
good.
that was a team effort.
Wow, like I couldn't hear a thing.
Can you put the penguin? Oh, and lost.
Oh! It's the tooth one, where it like bites down on your finger.
Yeah.
I've never played this.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm so excited. I've never seen this or played it.
Oh my god, and in a taxi move?
So we don't have this game. We
Oh,
have a
what?
version of this. We have a version of this game.
Why would you get me excited like that, Abby? Only to dash my hopes against the rocks.
Don't make too much noise coming out of it.
Oh, that's
Raven the loser!
That's a
Only
shame.
it, though.
That's got a nice ring to it, Abby. Raven the loser. I like how that sounds.
That's just a game of luck. Ah, Dani! Oh, Benison! 50-50 chance, Erin. The winner, Benison. Oh.
A Yahtzee?
Yeah.
Oh, I love
Oh,
Yahtzee.
yeah. I only know this from that scary movie where the kids go see their grandparents. I never actually played it.
I love Yahtzee! Did you play Yahtzee?
I didn't play too much Yahtzee growing up. I don't know how to play this. Yahtzee?
Oh.
Yahtzee.
I love Yahtzee, but how are you gonna roll dice? What the?
That's okay. Oh, that was not okay.
Oh,
Raven.
oh no!
That's okay. Oh, that's not okay, Jayka.
Stupid!
Oh. You got 18. $20 is your high score. Okay, well done, Carter. Oh, and you lost it there. So, Raven, you got fighting chance. Oh, good work. Erin, the winner.
No, that was so close.
Yep. What's your score?
Damn, that's a
Kind of a
that's
really good
high
one.
score, yeah.
12, 22, 25. Banger.
Yeah. I mean. And the winner, once again, is Raven.
whatever.
Raven, the winner. Okay, so the winner is Carter.
Wait.
Can you do this?
Not like that.
There's no way.
How did he even do that?
And what are we playing? Are we just shuffling cards?
I think I could do this.
Okay, I'll give you that second one.
$52 card pickup.
Yeah, I'll give you that. Quiet. Second one. Yeah, I'll give you that. One more needed. Oh, you're gonna try it. I'll give you that too.
Wow!
You lost right at the end. And you have 30 seconds to do one more. Oh! Lost it there. And you lost again. The winner, Dani! And the winner's Erin!
Oh my god!
That's where you failed.
And now, split the cards in half, because obviously you both lost. So now,
Sudden
whoever does a shuffle quicker is the winner. 3, 2, 1, without making noise, go.
Oh, without making noise?
Yeah.
Oh.
Raven is the winner!
I'm sorry.
Oh no, too slow. It's the new toilet trouble Flushdown.
Oh, I'm ready.
Oh, hell nah.
No.
Race to avoid the spray with toilet trouble.
Absolutely not. Absolutely not.
3, 2, 1, go. Ooh.
There is no.
And that's how Julian can lose and still be the winner.
Let's go!
Not even.
And the winner, Dani!
Dani was so loud.
Whoa, what? How did that even work? I thought I was winning, dude.
I got squirted on.
Let's go. Did I win?
Erin!
Yeah. What? See, I said. Absolutely not. Is it how many games are there left?
9.
There's 9 more games.
No, that's it. That's the end of it.
Goodbye. Thanks for watching this video.
Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, guys.
Let us know in the comments what we should try to do next.
Did you enjoy us playing these board games as quiet as we possibly?
No!